Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your PropStream account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find the owner of a rental property using your PropStream account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find the owner to a rental property anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a wholesale business, you know that sometimes you see properties listed in Facebook groups or in Craigslist, and you want to find out who the owner is to submit an offer. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your PropStream dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up my PropStream account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to find the owner to a rental property, you're going to type in the address right here. Okay, once you type in the address, it's going to pop up here on the right. And to find the property owner, you want to click here on details. All right, once you do that, PropStream is going to pull up public records for this property, and they're going to let you know the owner or owners right here. They also include their mailing address, so if you want to mail them a flyer. Also, if you want to get their phone number or their email address, you can actually skip trace directly through PropStream. So you're going to click on save here on the top right. Once you click on save, you're going to click create new, and then you can just say rental property owners and save. Okay, I'm going to close this out. Now we're going to go over here to our lists. Okay, once you click into properties, you want to go ahead and check the box next to the property. Once you check the box, click on new campaign here on the top right. Once you do that, click on skip tracing. Okay, here they let you know it's going to be 12 cents per skip trace, and then you want to click on next and just follow the steps after that if you want to get their contact information. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to find the owner to a rental property using your PropStream account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.